As far as Doge support floor, it generally is presently $0.056 in a kind of huge manner. Dogecoin cost examination in every practical sense is bullish today in a huge way. Dogecoin generally has a medium-term opposition at $0.064 in an especially significant manner. Doge generally rose 8.32% in 7 days in a sort of huge manner. 30 October 2023, in this video we will especially walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these often explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts. What certainly is especially transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, basically is Doge an excellent interest in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging especially profound into the Doge specialized investigation, fundamentally let us in a real sense discuss the essentially current economic situations, showing how Dogecoin basically has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, or so they for the most part thought. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,276,444,521,247, which explicitly shows that market investigation over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247. In every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. The truly complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $33,863,355,643 in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is very huge. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, which especially is genuinely huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours in an extremely enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.86 and right now exchanging at 56 cents in an especially significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially significant manner. These occasions explicitly show that the market in a real sense is going in a genuinely descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, which generally is very critical. Right now, a genuinely broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely large manner. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition essentially are significant specialized pointers used to recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which fundamentally is very critical. Support truly is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become commonly more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense is very critical. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors especially move really dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, basically is at $0.069, up 1.02% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 8.32% over the course of the week, which basically is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is $224,220,911.00 United States dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to $9,834,820,486 United States dollars, showing that Dogecoin cost examination for the most part is bullish today, which fundamentally is very critical. There explicitly are practically 141,622,676,384 explicitly are available for use out of 141,622,676,384, showing how following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, in a real sense is at $0.069, up 1.02% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and by and large, has a value change of 8.32% throughout the week. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin Value Investigation Doge Cost Examination for 30 October 2023, inside a day-to-day time period in every way that really matters, made sense of underneath. Especially further appearance how support certainly is a level at which purchasers by and large become essentially more extremely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. We utilize really relative strength index RSI, moving sword of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty basic moving sword of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Dogecoin. Exhibiting that following basically are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, generally is at $0.069, up 1.02% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 8.32% throughout the week, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. While Doge's Williams %R marker especially is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal truly is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that there basically are practically 141,622,676,384 are available for use out of 141,622,676,384. Showing how following especially are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, truly is at $0.069, up 1.02% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 8.32% throughout the week, which generally is very critical. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, which explicitly shows that Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph, showing that 30 October 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, truly got clarification on some